Okay, let's see the contract about instrumental certification, where each musical instrument can be verified in a blockchain with the NFT um, ERC 721 protocol. That is the not fungible token standard. Uh, if you have a look to the library imported, we have the SC 721 protocol and the extension of the library that for the enumerable and the URI storage, because the token ID will be incremented automatically certification after certification without the risk to have a duplicated token ID. And then the second one is linked to the storage URI. It means that we can upload metadata information directly in a decentralized or centralized database. So have a look to the contract that is inheriting the function from the not fungible token protocol, and also it's ownable. That means that there will be an administrator, the owner that can call a specific function. First of all, have a look to the structure that are a structure for the instrument and structure for user. Structure for instrument is possible to upload in blockchain directly information like serial number, model, brand, production data, photo hashes. That means that the media information are not directly uploaded in a blockchain, but also the hashes will be recorded in blockchain, while the media will be uploaded in an external database. Then we have the current owner, means the wallet of the current owner, and also the history of the previous owner. And then also the possibility to um, upload information about the history of the instrument. That means specific change in the material um, and other activity on that. And then very important is the this variable that is a boolean. That means if the instrument is stolen or not. Because one of the target of this certification also to create a sort of database of the musical instrument that has been stolen in the past. The user will be registered in the platform, and the unique information will be first name, last name, and the identification document, and also if it is whitelisted or not, because what is the users that are whitelisted can certify their instruments, otherwise they cannot. We have some mapping that is a link between specific wallet and the user data, and other mapping, for example, that link a specific token ID with the instrument that is registered and certified. Then we have the list of the event. When a function is called, the event is registered in blockchain. Constructor is possible to have the information about the name of the NFT that is deployed in a blockchain. And then we have another modifier that some function can be called only by a user while listed. For example, after the new user is registered in this protocol, immediately cannot certify its instrument. It needs to be whitelisted before by the owner. So we have the function where the owner can whitelist a specific user ID. By the way, everybody can call the register user function and put its information in the protocol. That means, again, first name, last name, and identification number. And the information will be uploaded in the user structure that we saw before. Then, after the user has been whitelisted, can certify its instrument calling the function certify instrument that is only whitelisted, only for wallets that are whitelisted. So a new NFT is minted, you can see here, and the information about the instrument are be uploaded in blockchain in this specific structure for the instrument. Again, we have serial number, model, brand, production, date, and also photo hashes, not photo media. And then the current owner, that is the user that call this specific function. So a new NFT has been created. Then it's possible to transfer the ownership from the previous owner to the next owner, again with the transfer of the NFT. So we will see that the token ID is transferred from the old owner to the new owner. Another function is the possibility to update the information about the, the instruments, like sort of social, so mixed data like new events, new uh, live concert, new photos, and so on. Then it's possible to report for the owner if the specific instrument has been stolen or not. As you can see, there is a check here where it's verified that the wallet is calling the function is also the owner of the token ID that he wants to put the Boolean function, the Boolean variable that is has been stolen. And then there is another important function to read the information for that specific instrument linked to the specific token ID, and everybody can call this function that is public. Okay, thank you.